Good morning, the boys are here. It's always a struggle getting up this gravel driveway, poor bastards. So if you're coming on a trip, you're gonna come up my driveway, make sure you put the pedal to the metal. It is looking pretty bloody gloomy for this week's trip. It's yeah, definitely not as nice this week as it was last week. We've got a couple of cruddy days, but it's all good. Joined by some Kiwis this week from up the north, from down the North Island. But yeah, it's all good. So we're off. The boys are setting the lures, and much the same plan as last week, but yes, the boys are pretty keen to tick off all the boxes. They've been waiting 3 years for this trip, so yeah, really looking forward to delivering the goods. Good to get a little break over the weekend, 2 days off, cruised down to Auckland. It wasn't much of a break, down to a wedding, literally got off the boat, drove to Auckland, straight down there. Beautiful wedding, some friends from up here, and got back up last night, and thank God the boys had the boat ready, because I wasn't going to be doing much yesterday, that's for sure. So yeah, looking forward to bringing you guys the action. But yeah, thanks a lot for all the support so far on these videos. They're going real well, and like I said, or like I've been saying, is I really plan to commit to doing this quite regularly, just to show you guys what we get up to, as long as the clients allow. You know, you need to be happy with the guys going on these videos. You can't just go posting everyone and somebody be upset about it. So if you are coming on a trip, you don't have to be on the videos, just say, and I just won't do it. But yeah, if you guys can, make sure you just give us a little subscribe. It helps just push the videos a little bit more, and really gets me going, gets me excited to bring you guys a bit more excitement continuously. The videos are definitely going to get a lot more better, and a lot betterer, and a lot less repetitive as the season comes on. You know, we got marlin and swordfish to look forward to soon, so yeah, I'm really planning on bringing you guys all of that action. So if you guys want to learn about that stuff, then you know, I'm here to help. Henry loves a good rod between his legs. How's that? New Zealand green lip mussels and green Thai curry sauce. Doesn't get much better than that on a boat. Oh, there he is. Big splash. On the short corner. That's quite funny. I was just about to go downstairs. I said to Kale, nah, something's going to happen here. Alright, action station. Yeah, might need a harness for him, eh? Not much drag on that one, eh? Beauty. Action stations. My favourite kind of station. First bite for the El Matador Bonds lure that we got the other day. Good to see. Good to see. There's the Dacron loop. Little baby. Hungry thing. Got him. You boy! On the board! No monster by any means, but fresh sashimi for the trip. First fish for the El Matador. Fresh lure from Bonds. Very hungry little bugger. Spewing up all these tiny squids. Getting the quick lead out. Ensure the best eating quality while we're on the trip here. And there's the heart. Hey bro, before you do that, then you get, mate. Camera's rolling, brother. Don't say no. Oh, he fucking ate the whole thing. Jesus Christ. It's not meant to be a bite, mate. Come on. All right. Nothing goes to waste here. That thing spewed up all of those little squids.
Oh well, reuse them for later?
Yep, reuse them for later. Bag them up. Chuck them in the chiller. Make some good trevally baits. Yes, we got them on. We got them on. We got them on. Right, get the lures in, boys. Hurry up. Oh, he's going nuts out the back. Oh my lord. We have got them on, guys. Yeah, boy. Oh, it's a good one too. I can't remember what a good one looks like. It's been that long, but keep that tight, bro. Keep it tight. Big crash bite. Big crash bite. Oh man. Right, get all those rods in the boat, eh? We'll get them inside the boat. Real nice one. Yeah, that's both. Every time, mate. Yeah. Right. Just keep that line tight as you can, bro. Yeah, bro. That's sick. One. Keep winding. He's just coming towards us. Oh man, that is just the worst. Oh, that's the worst thing ever. I am not happy. Not happy. That was a really, really, really nice fish. I don't know if I got any of that on video. That was just a really nice one. Crash bites all over it. Just saying it's going to be a good lure this season. Straight away we got a bite. You're getting a bit sporty now. Haven't seen him. I'll give you a hand. Yeah, boy. Haven't seen it. Yeah, there he is. Yeah. Get all those lures in.
One or two tricks we really like.
Yeah, sweet as. Lazy fish.
Still only got half the top shot back. Still far in.
Fast ones. Get him over that side. Come on up. Just give him a little pull.
Take the line.
Yeah, great.
Come on, Andrew. Take right.
There he is.
Away we go.
Keep winding. Wind. Yeah, it's a striping. There he is. On that Bond's weapon. Right there. Yeah, bring around that starboard side.
Go forward now. Look at the eye.
Yeah, the boys!
Yeah.
Get that up, yeah!
Your boy.
Woohoo! I am one happy skipper right now. If everybody knows how hard we've worked for this first marlin of the season, you would understand.
Yeah.
Wait, hang on, mate, hang on.
Too good. There he is.
This one's not even a full marlin.
Yeah, he's got a short bill. But that's all good. I'll take that. Alright. We'll get that hooked out of him, mate. It's in his eye, is it?
Yeah. And his eye wrapped around the jawbone, I think. Yeah, okay. See if I can bang it out. Oh, he's pushing it.
You want me to stop the body, alright?
Yep, hooked out.
Yep. Let him go. Ready? Woo! There he goes.
Off he goes.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, boy. Shoppo. Sick.
Yeah.
It's yeah, definitely been a up and down day today, that's for sure. Really hoping that this is a sign that the floodgates are open here. That marlin this morning, after reviewing a little bit of footage we had on Henry's GoPro, looks like a black marlin, real nice one. I saw it, and I didn't want to say it, but it definitely, after looking at the footage, it wasn't a stripey. Definitely wasn't a blue, so yeah, it's bloody awesome. But anyway, we're going to work around here for a little bit longer and then go park the boat up and get into some bait fishing. Yeah, let's keep our fingers crossed that this is the start of the Three Kings marlin season that we've been waiting for. Wee bit of a late start this morning. We had all the plans in the world to get out of here early and woke up this morning and it's just cowies all around the boat, so spent about an hour trying to catch those. Boys put in a really good effort last night. 3 of them stayed up all night for bait. I'd like to say we're fully stocked on fresh bait, but it was a pretty slow night for them, so got a heap of squid, but yeah, just couldn't get the cowies to bite. That's why we carry a little bit of backup bait. So but yeah, we should be good. We're gonna cruise out to the bank now and get into some kingfish for the day, as per usual, and see what other goodies we can drum up. You saw my little clip from yesterday of the bit of weather we had on the way up. It is the polar opposite today. Unbelievable, but we knew it was coming. We pay attention to the forecast. We're constantly studying it because at the end of the day, customer safety and comfort is our priority. Whoa, don't let go of that rod. A wee bit slow to start, but something's happening now.
Absolutely gorgeous scenes today out at the Mokahinos.
Good warm-up one to start anyway. Just chuck the rod under your arm. It's not too bad. 15. 15.
Nice fish.
First fish of the trip.
Yep.
Yodi.
Pull your lines together. Start winding. Don't worry about you finding the fish. Rod hits the boat under tension, it'll snap.
Try put the rod butt on your left hip, bro. It might balance a bit better, you know what I mean? Yeah. There you go. How's that?
That's fine, boys. We'll get him up and we'll start that drift again once you
We've got a nice fish. Could turn into something that starts jumping.
Nice fish.
Good work. Contender for the measurement.
That's a contender, bro. 25, I reckon. Nah, 20. Beauty. Like that, yeah, like that. Yeah, and try and flip the fish, the head of it. No. Just roll it so we can, and get your hand down again. Yeah, like that. Look at that. So, come back. Yep. All good. See ya.
No, it's just a little one you hooked.
Yeah, which way? Stubby rod, isn't it, that one?
Yeah, boy. On the Stellar 8K. Yeah, his fish is here. Don't let his line touch this 80 pound.
Yeah, because you want to get paid, eh?
Yeah, shit, yeah. Daddy's got to feed the kids,
On
man.
those OnlyFans.
Yeah.
Walk, come around to the right.
Yeah. I spend all my money on pokies this week.
Yeah,
That's fucking mean. Holy shit! On the JC jigs.
That's not a hook.
That's not hooked very well at all. Just keep the pressure on him. Oh my god. On the Stellar 8K. Leave that chicken, open the bell.
It's way bigger
Oh
than Right there.
Maybe like
37, 38, 38 probably. Yeah. Quite skinny, so yeah. True 38.
Yeah.
Hey mate, I'm proud of us right now.
It's a cheap fish.
Slide him over. Right, try and flop him forward a little bit. Yeah, like that. Alright, we gotta get that jig out of his mouth. So,
That was dangerously hooked too.
yeah, that was dangerously hooked. Alright, bro. Flick him in the piss. See you later.
Yeah, boy.
There he goes. Yeah. Well done.
Shot check.
Well done.
We're into it. Get it off the boat, brother! Every time it touches the boat, you gotta do a shot of fireball. Oh, that's another shot! Come on! I can hear you do what I can do! The handicap system like golf! Oh, there's another shot! There's another one. That's 4, I think.
Every time you hit the rail, there's a shot of fireball. Come on, Simon. Take it in, boy. No gold cards out here, buddy.
it's bigger than 10 kilos.
All that pain was about,
It'll still be half your weight.
That's so good, bro. Probably up
under your arm.
Yes. There's the photo. Money shot. Woohoo! Too much. Far out. We've seen colour for like 10 frickin' minutes, mate. Almost drifted back to the other bank. He's a 30. Yeah, he's 30. He's 30 all day.
Get in the boat, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Oh, 4 shots. Oh, 5 shots.
Big colour, right? Big colour.
There he is.
A lot of colours there.
Lead him around here, bro.
Control the fish, Henry. Come on, mate. One.
slack. You walk around.
Oh, a lot of groaning going on.
I got it.
Yeah, I see the shark down there. First one to get sharked up here for a bit. That's it, boys, that's it. Yes.
Right over to the left.
Colour. Shark on a boat, hurry up. Pull back. Oh, all of that for that. No, it's not the jig.
Oh, now it's up.
Yeah. Yeah, it's right there. Shark's on it.
Ed?
Yeah, he's on it right now. Gone.
God, bang of it.
Bloody thing. Oi, that's $10 in the paint job.
Take it out of my knock.
Oh man, that's heartbreaking. Bit of a pain in the ass, these bloody sharks. We haven't had any problems with sharks for a long time now, but it's just a mako, so they tend to just hang around for a little bit and then bug off, get a little bit of a feed, and they'll bugger off. But yeah, all in all, not a bad day, but a little bit slow to start. Sort of mid-afternoon now, starting to get a good tide, some big fish coming on, and yeah, I won't be filming every single fish like I usually do. I just want to try and cram it in and make the videos a little bit shorter. Oh, not too high with the rod, lower it, lower it, lower it, lower it. Oh.
Too high, not too low.
Yeah, you don't want to go too high, mate. That's how you'll snap the bloody thing. Back on, eh? Showing the young guns how to do it, mate.
The lesson from last time.
Last one up the rod and egg. Yeah, Henry, come over this way, mate. Yeah, under. Yeah, that's it, boys. Shout, boy.
Back, that's a monster.
Oh, it's a pooker. I thought you didn't want to catch terror.
Yeah!
What were you fishing on the bottom for?
Table fish.
Oh, look at that.
Hey.
Look at that. That's a good pooker, man. Holy heck. That's a good bycatch. All right, bro. When you're ready, throw it back. No, don't do that. All right, hold it up, hold it up. We're just going to open the bin and we're going to put it straight in the bin. All right, mate, in the bin.
Yeah. Yes. Table fish king.
A lot of hissing going on again. Yeah. Well, that.
Winding.
Big one. Oi. Yeah, you got you in the reef there. Look at that. Nice one.
Yeah, get into the gunnel, bro.
Bend over.
Into the gunnel, straighten that arm and use your back. Use your upper body strength as well.
I have no upper body strength. Stop moving away from it. Keep closer to it.
Curling over like an old man, mate. Come on. Dig it in.
You're the biggest bloke here making the biggest noise. Simon's over here fucking destroying fish quietly.
No, this is bubbles.
Oh, it's the bubbles, that's alright then.
Big.
Good fish.
Fuck! Look at that. What's this on his nose? Is that the sweat? Hey, that's another $10 in the paint jar, mate. Still all good. It's not even that big.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't really
It's going
use
20 in it.
Open your spoiler.
There's some slick runs at the beginning.
Yeah, this is a good one, mate. This is a good
I've got to
one.
be pissed off if it's not.
Nah, it's just a rat. It's a rat.
I want to be like that.
Can't it can't be a rat if it's doing the things that it's been doing. It's taken more line that you got on him.
Oh, you're nearly back to the beginning.
Yeah, this is the same colour you started on.
I know.
Oh.
Progress. Start slowly making your way
Yeah,
to the
come
back
to
corner.
your left, mate. Come to your left.
Crab walk all the way
Crab walk to your left.
You get him, Kale.
To your left, to your left, to your left.
You drop, see if you want to
Now we'll start again. Oh, try not to re-drop when you've got other lines down with fish on. Yeah, bro. Oh yeah, man, this is a big fish, mate. This is it. This is. Oh, it's a big kingy. It's a real big kingy. Holy hecker! Oh my god!
That is huge.
Whoa! Holy shit! Look at all the colour. Oh my god! That is a monster!
Holy shit.
I think that's the biggest kingfish I've seen. Oh my god! Holy shit!
I can't even grab the cunt.
2 hands. Holy heck!
Oh, that's huge.
Oh
That's
my
so big.
god! 2 now left. Oh
Get your
my
hands down
god!
lower.
Yeah.
You might have to support it in the end. It feels as though it's going to go your way.
No, he's not going to let him go.
Lift it up a touch. Lift it up a touch. Yeah.
Holy heck! Tilt it! Yes!
That's how in the boat.
Yeah.
Hurry up,
No. Just
Lift it up a bit. Lift it up a bit. Yeah, like that. Right there.
Lift it up. We need to get, I haven't got the photo. I haven't got the photo. Alright, just hold him back.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. It's all you. Can we let it go?
No, we got to get the photo.
Whatever.
No, I haven't got the photo.
This is one of the biggest kingfish we've gotten this year.
This is the biggest kingfish I've ever seen. We have to get a good photo. You have to fucking try harder. Help me.
This is up there with the biggest one that I've seen, so we're going to do it justice.
Hold it like a man.
Come on, who cares about facials? Fucking
Pull it up.
Hold it up, yes, right there.
All right, throw him in the drink. Go. No, not in the boat. Oh, he's away. He's away. You bloody beauty.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
50 kilos.
That man was struggling. We knew it was going to be a big one, but didn't think it was going to be that big. We got a quick measurement on him, 154 centimeters. So around about 47 kilo. That is unreal. That is a big fish, mate. That is a beast. Well done. Right, pretty good day today and pretty nice weather, so once again we're just going to stay out here for the night, chuck a couple of baits out, some champagne fishing, alright, and we're going to shut it down and put some baits out, and yeah, we'll either see you in the morning or we'll see you at 1 AM or something stupid like that.
That's his nickname. Same thing after that.
Yeah, boy.
I've never seen proper fog lighting like that.
Yeah, this is crazy. We're just up here enjoying the light show. It's been going non-stop for God knows how long. It's madness. Pretty cool. got him on.
All the way up.
Got him on. That is a very, very good sound to hear at this time of the day, my brother. Right, the lights are on. I have no idea what this is, but I was asleep. The boys are up on watch. We've got a fish on. So I'd only been asleep for 20 minutes. Must have just got to sleep. Yeah, she's done a big run. Can't wait to see what it is, man. I'm pumped. In case you guys didn't know, this is one of my specialties, nighttime sword fishing. We haven't got one yet this season. We don't know what this is, but we do get a bycatch of big eye tuna, swordfish, sharks. We've caught marlin at night time. Yeah, so this is bloody exciting, man. 12:30 a.m. Yeah.
Jeez.
Just been doing some pretty erratic head shakes there. Changing direction and coming up high. This is the excitement of nighttime fishing. You don't actually know what it is, eh? Definitely not the 10 knots that was forecasted.
Here comes the rain.
It's been not a fucking shark. Oh, yeah. That gives me more confidence. Close now.
Yeah, a bit of colour there. What the hell is it? Nah, come. Oh. Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy. Oh! He's screaming off.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy! That thing's hissing. Oh my god. Grab this. You're in trouble, bro.
Fuck yeah.
That's recording.
Gotta be comfortable strap them for a couple of hours.
Left hand on the reel, bro. Spreading that line as you collect it back. You can put it on top of it if that's comfortable. Just like rest your hand there, bro, even on top of it. Yeah.
Wait.
Oh, it's gonna do your head in, isn't it?
You're in trouble!
Look at those thumbs.
Oh. Tom. Yes, boy.
Right up the cheek. Didn't look small, but didn't look. Oh, it's hard to tell.
Yeah, real hard to tell.
Because by the time we saw the lights, bro, he's still another eight
That's
meters
the thing
behind
too.
that.
And the water's so clear. It's still fucking
a bit of
ages
colour,
away.
so-
Yeah.
Might be a flying gift job.
He's hot. Oh, there it is. Yeah! Oh, he's right up on the surface. Yes! Holy crap, he's not happy, boys. He's gonna have a go at the boat now. He's coming at us. He's coming at us. Just remember, it's still early days, bro. Right, I need to mount this camera somewhere. That's a good sword. That's a good sword. How's that? Under half an hour, boys. Just be careful of that bill, mate. Where is he? Oh, yes! Still got him? Where is he? Yeah, the boys! Yes! We were saying, I wonder if the lining is a good omen for the swords. Apparently so. Yeah. Oh man. Right, here he is. I think he might have called it quits, eh? No, he's still moving. Someone just turn the stereo down for a sec.
Inside on your left, on the top stereo, just turn the wheel all the way down.
Yeah, I think he is wrapped up. Yeah, boy. Yeah, he's stuffed, eh? He must be wrapped up. Yeah, he's belly up. Yes, boy! He's fucked, yeah. Yeah, boy! We got him! We got him! Nice one, bro. Nice sick.
Put it in that rock holder.
Yeah, sick, bro. Well done, mate. Well done. Yeah, the boys. That's how it's done.
Oh, I got
Yeah. Yeah, boy. He's not a monster, but he's still a good one.
Don't you fucking pull it out of that. Not gonna slip through my leg or anything.
No.
Way through.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Yes! Yeah, the boys!
Keep going. Drink, right up.
Good fish. Yep.
Get in the fucking boat.
Yes! Yes!
Number one.
Number one! You guys have got the mojo, alright, eh? Look at that. How's that for a hookup, too? Foul hooked right up in there. And in under the peg fin.
Oh, lassoed.
Lassoed him. Oh my word. Yeah, get the fireball out, boys.
Yeah.
Shit, he's probably like 160, eh?
Oh, I was thinking at least 150.
Yeah, 160, I reckon, eh?
Man, I fucking time lapsed it by accident. Just
Epic. Absolutely epic. Yeah, the boys.
Yeah, boy.
How good's that? Woo! First sortie for James. It's an absolute stunner too. Caught the proper way at night on the surface. That's how it's done, eh? Alright, and lay it down again. And we'll get some more baits out, eh? Right. Time to go to bed. I'll either see you in the morning or see you in 20 minutes. Wow, good night last night. Fish is dealt to, and we're into some bottom fishing for the boys. Get some hookers and first drifts. Got them on here. A couple of nice ones by the looks of it. Pull back again. That's it. The break today when you saw those on the grill.
Slow yours right
Slow it down. Slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. Right down. Oh yeah, you're right, you're right. Keep going, power on. Oh yeah. That's a good double header. Blue nose and a hooker. Bloody beauty. Beauty.
Just the time to see what this one is.
Man. We got a floater.
Watch your toes.
Another nice hooker. Yes. That's a goodie. This fog is out of control this morning. Probably about 100 meters of viz. That's why we got radar for these things, so we can see what's coming at us if they can't see us. It's pretty easy fishing today. It's just every drop. We'll be done soon. I haven't really filmed. I'm not filming much because I'm just exhausted. Yeah, what do we got here? Another hooker. Oh, it's a big one. My voice is so cooked from just carrying on like an idiot, but it's all good. It's always a good sign when I've got no voice when I come back to land. Usually means it's been a good trip.
Seen the photos.
Seen the photos, alright. The oldie. It's a good one. Bloody good one. Another hooker.
Another hooker.
Bloody brilliant. Right, that's us for the bottom fishing. Pretty much done. Well, I didn't film too much today, but we still managed to get the boys a really, really good feed. Just in time for Christmas. So, yeah, we're going to get some rest and dondle back down to the islands. And probably go jump in, grab some powers. But for now, fresh swordfish, tacos. Best thing about swordfish is it tastes like victory. Literally 2 nights ago I was having nightmares about this fish, and today I'm eating it. So good. Right. After a big all-nighter and pretty good successful day on the hookers. Sorry I didn't film much today, but we've just come in nice and early, get an early night tonight. There's a couple of the boys that wanted to jump in for a quick dive. Mad men, it's 18 degrees, but boys have got some powers there and tick the box, been in the water, so yeah, we'll park the boat up, have an early night, and we actually have a bit of weather coming, so we're going to have to shoot back down to the mainland tomorrow. We'll see you tomorrow in the morning and let you know what we get up to. Pretty wet and wild and windy day today. This will be our last day up at the Kings of this group. So we're just going to have a little play around with the trevally and maybe try and see if we can drum up a kingfish before we go. We've got a fair bit of weather coming a bit later on, so I'd like to sort of get down around North Cape before dark. And yeah, have a bit of fun.
Yeah, there's my brain has a boat.
Yeah, your braid, eh? And that's it. Other way, other way. Other way. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, we came out here and we just dropped a bait one day. Oh, it's a big one. Big one.
Next drag, right? Push that drag up more, you got to put the button in.
Push the button in. Yep, that's it. Yeah. Oh, he's a big boy. Big boy. We'll get your one up, Henry, eh? Just save getting a tangle. We know you're going to do it. Oh, there's a lot of grunting going on. Come into the corner, cuz.
Yep.
Shallow water hookup. Got it. Savage. Savage. Yes.
Hello, Chris. Happy with that?
Yeah, I bet. Way better than any kingfish. Little one.
Yeah.
How's that? Little one. Bit of variety there, eh?
Oh, you haven't got my sword, mate. Hurry up.
I know.
Took it right at the bottom.
Everyone else wants to have a go.
Right on the bottom, did you say?
I feel like it could be a pocket.
I reckon. Big hooker. Big hooker. Oh. Yeah, boy. Shallow water hooker. Yes.
Fucking hell, that's a beast.
Well done, brother.
Well done, George.
Get a quick quick pick. Yeah.
Get your hand out of his gill.
Yeah, don't put your hand in there.
Down,
yeah.
down.
That's it. Try and drop the tail forward. Yeah. Move your hand, Henry. Sick. Back in the drink. Yeah. Yeah. No. Right. Too much. Oh yeah, on over here. Yeah, put the heat on it. Push the drag up. All right, 1, 2, 3. Dead weight. Might be a booger.
Nice one, brother. Fuck, I'm cracking the jaw.
That's not going on the YouTube channel. Watch me. That's booger. What do you reckon this one is? Got smaller.
How's the booger?
Yeah. Oh, a little snapper. And look right behind it. Booger. What a spot. Yeah. Another booger. Pump it, bro, pump it. No, he doesn't need a gumball. He said he thinks they're uncomfortable.
No pain, no gain.
No pain, no gain. If you haven't got bruises in your pelvis by the end of this trip, you've done it all wrong.
That's a fish. That's our big fish. That's our big one. Alright, do you want a gimbal? That's a nice one.
Yeah. Right, you two are crossed up, eh? We'll bring you around here, Simon. Come closer. Oi.
Yeah, you're over.
Yeah, over the top of him.
Right over the top of him.
Yeah, that's it. You alright? Got it?
Yep, thank you.
Put your knees into it.
Oh, a trumpeter!
Oh! Trumpeter, look at that, it's a big trumpeter.
Yeah.
Oh! That is sick. Yeah!
Yeah! Oh, come on, pick it up, hold it out. Holy, thank you.
Holy heck.
Wow.
I don't want to look at his back, I want to look at his legs. You're in my personal space.
Hold it up.
Look at this, look at what Simon's got on. He's got a massive bronzy. He's coming under the boat again. Right, just get a wrap on it. There's the leader. Get these freaking gloves on, man. What's going on? Get it. Yeah.
Holy shit, that's a big one.
That's why I said get a wrap on it, you useless prick. He's too busy doing his nails.
Tell you what, boy.
I want to see this side of the fish a bit more.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Big fish! Ah, fucking bite me, cunt.
Oh, big bass.
Yeah, boy.
Holy. Finally got a big one. Look at that.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah. I gotta say, man, you've had some bloody good luck this trip, eh?
Fuck yeah, that's unreal.
Oh. Oh my God.
Come on, waves.
Oh.
Holy.
How's that out of like 65 meters of water?
Grab your rod, mate. Well done. Yeah.
There's a beast.
Yeah, boy.
Oh boy.
Fucking photo.
Oh shit, it's on selfie mode. Hang on, lift it higher.
Fuck off,
Nice work, right? That's mean. That's awesome. Great effort.
Now we're finished.
Shot. Here's the boy. Sweet, man. Got it. What a way to wrap up the trip with that massive bass. What do you reckon, Henry?
Oh yeah.
bloody excellent session to top off an already pretty wicked trip, fishing it nice and close. I wasn't expecting that, but it's all good. Don't want to take too many, but it may not look like it at the moment. There is some serious weather coming, so. But yeah, that's us for the trip. That's us for the video. So yeah, I'll sign off now. Thank you very much for watching, and if you're a regular follower, it'd be really appreciated if you guys could just flick us a little subscribe. Like I said earlier, we're going to keep it coming, and I didn't know it at the time, but I knew it was going to start getting a lot better, and it gets better and better and better every week coming up to this time of the season. So yeah, thanks for watching again, and we'll see you later.